As part of an advanced driver assistance system, the Genesis GV70 is equipped with Lane Keep Assist, or LKA. The Lane Keep Assist system is designed to detect lane markings and warn the driver if the vehicle unintentionally steers out of the lane. When the vehicle departs the lane without its turn signals on, the system will automatically assist the driver steering to help them get back to the lane. Additionally, an audible warning tone and steering wheel vibration may occur. To enable this feature, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Safety, and then Lane Safety. The warning alert volume can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Volume. Alternatively, this can also be accessed by selecting Sound, and then Driver Assistance. Once the Lane Keep Assist has been set up, you can turn it on and off simply by pressing and holding the Lane Driving Assist button. When active, the LKA indicator will appear in green on the instrument cluster. When the LKA indicator is gray, it means that the system is on standby and has not met operating conditions. While using this feature, the driver must always keep their hands on the steering wheel, or a warning message will appear along with an audible tone. Be aware that the Lane Keep Assist function will turn off automatically if repeated hands-on steering wheel warnings are issued. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.